I have a belief that you commission the people, then you commission the equipment. So what does that mean? When you commission people, you look at who do you have in each spot, like your supervisors. We have 5 underground mines, and we have different equipment. We have stationary equipment, we have mobile equipment, and who do you put in each area? So you look at your people, okay, who's good at what? So you start moving people around where they excel. And my manager, he's an executive member of the company, he says, you've made more changes in the last 6 months than we have in the last 20 years. Why is that? Because they're status quo, right? They're stagnant. There's nobody to come in and say, okay, wait a minute. How do we do this? How do we make change? And culture change is the hardest thing to do. Once you get it going, it'll run you over. You don't know how to do it. But people are the ones that dig the ditch. People are the ones that change the bulbs. People are the ones that work on the equipment, right? So when you put the right people in the right places, the right planners, the right supervisors, the right superintendents in the right places, then you're ready to go. You got your team where you want them. All right, what are the bad actors? Now you start focusing on the critical equipment that gives you your biggest bang for your buck. And those are the people that will make it happen because they know the equipment, they understand it. That's why you change them and put them there in the first place. We've seen results right now in our availabilities going up in each mine because we have those players in place now. Where before we had the best mobile equipment supervisor working on locomotives. The guy was bored. He wanted to quit. And when I interviewed him, he says, I know mobile equipment. We had a plant that needed that help. I made the swap. Boom. And he's excelling and he feels good about himself, right? And he's encouraging his team, teaching his team because they know he's the best mobile equipment mechanic. Now he's a supervisor, but he can train. So that's where the people, comes in.